So let's try this in. Okay. I'm going to ask for your help in a second. Let me see if I can insert it by myself. Okay, I really need your help now. Bite down on this bite stick. Good. And here. Well done. Excellent. About this side. Right down here. Very good. And here. And good. It fits. It's a perfect fit. I have this special plier. This will help me remove the green grass roller. We need to take it out and put some glue in it, okay? And then we'll put it back in. Okay. Good. Alright. So, let's fit this in. And in a couple of months, we'll get rid of it, okay? So if you stop doing what you're doing. Okay. Back down here. Very good. And here. Thank you very much. And again. Very good. Okay, let's do the other side now. And squeeze evenly. Thank you. And again. Good. Good tissue. Yeah. And squeeze again. And again. And again. And again. And again. And squeeze again. And here. And good. And again. And again. I think that's a pretty good fit. Squeeze here. Alright. Good. Let's set the glue now. This blue light is an ultraviolet light. It's just a very bright light. You shouldn't be biting into hard foods. If you have a brace in your mouth and you have a brace fitted, we ask you not to bite onto nuts, toffee, chewing gum. All these things will break the brace. Great. I'll put your chair up. I want you to rinse now.